Cuban Sandwich, Reubens' brother. Pork tenderloin ingredients. 1 pound of pork tenderloin. 1/4 cup of olive oil. 1/4 cup of orange juice. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Half teaspoon of cumin. Sandwich ingredients. 2 loaves Cuban bread. 1 pound of Swiss cheese, sliced. 1 pound of smoked ham, sliced. 1 cup of dill pickles, sliced. 1/4 cup of mustard. 2 tablespoons of butter. To cook the pork tenderloin, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and line a rimmed baking sheet with foil. Place the pork tenderloin on the prepared baking sheet. In a small bowl, whisk the olive oil, orange juice, lime juice, garlic cloves, oregano, and cumin together and pour it over the pork. Cook for 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 62 degrees Celsius, then thinly slice the meat and set it aside. To make the sandwich, slice each loaf of bread in half lengthwise and then cut it into 4 equal parts. Begin layering the ingredients by adding half of the cheese to the bottom layer of the sandwich bread. Top with the smoked ham, sliced pork, and pickles and place the remaining cheese on top. Spread mustard on the top piece of bread and place on the sandwich. Melt some butter in a skillet over medium heat and add the sandwiches. Place a heavy iron skillet on top of the sandwiches to press them down. Once it is toasted, flip the sandwich and repeat.